He's gonna beat. He'll beat you. He's really fast. He's a lot.
Okay, start. You start?
Mm-hmm.
Back. Hey.
She walks.
Okay, now you got it.
Hello. See, his mouth is not big enough.
Yeah, so she's just calm doing it. She's calm, Rex. Not calm. I got it.
You gotta be fast.
I'm trying.
He's coming back without him. Reach your hands to side, Israel. Your hands.
I'm going to pass it to Rolo. I'm going to pass it to him.
Oh, you bought him a frisbee?
Rolo, you touched it.
He will not let anybody touch it.
Go. You can't stay again.
Come on, Israel. He's a puppy. She got it? She just needs to know how to bite it.
Now I'm passing it to her. She was trying, since I want her to try to do it.
Yeah, she needs to learn. She's just going to learn.
Yeah, now I'm passing to her. Well,
Get it, Israel. Come on, Israel. You got to be quicker.
Hello, you got me quick. Oh, come on. Again.
He's literally laying down and you still can't catch him.
She jumped over the ball.
Put your hands out like this, side to side, go like this. There you go. See? There you go. There you go. There you go. See, you're trapping him. You're trapping him. Told you. Told you.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
There you go, Israel. Come on, a little bit more.
You're trying to do it. Oh my God.
There you go. There you go. Right there. Right there. Get closer. There you go. See? There you go. There you go.